Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this quick gold smoky eye makeup. Even a beginner can easily recreate this look. So let's get started. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes. Taking the shade from morphexjaclynhill palette. Starting off by applying the shade to the outer V of my eye and dragging it inwards. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I am still struggling to find a better frame for my videos. Same on the other eye, making sure that both of my eyes are well blended. Applying the black shade with the same method. Blending the outer V with this shade, I'm already in love with this look. It looks so smoky and well blended at the same time. Taking this RIMMEL Cosmetics Sparkling Dust in number 155. Applying this with the same brush. OMG, I am obsessed with how pretty this is. This is a liner brush and this is embossed gel liner. Drawing on an arch and connecting it to the middle of my lash line. Now dragging it upwards to make a sharp wing and fill in the rest. Wow, these type of brushes will make your liner game to the next level. And connecting the inner corner too. Applying mascara to my lashes. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Applying the darker brown. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes. Deepen my lash line more with the black shade. This brush is from MAC Cosmetics. Highlighting my brow bone with this shade. This is the complete look. I hope you guys will like it. If you really like my content, it will be really appreciated if you press the like button, share and subscribe. Bye bye.